Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. So today you're going to be seeing me achieve this makeup look. Very simple. I kind of wanted to match my hair, so that's kind of why I want to include green. So I do hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, but without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so for the first transition shade, I went in with Spooky from the James Charles Morphe palette, and that did not darken the cut like I wanted it to. So to darken it some more, I go in with the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to use the shade Shawata, and I'm going to darken that area. So now that I have a base there, I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base in the shade 4, and I'm going to just blot it in this area and blend it out so we can get that soft neutral look that we have in this eye. Next, I'm going to go in and set that concealer with the Warrior palette, and I'm going to use the color, I think it's pronounced Hashat. Oh my gosh. I'm going in with that color. And I'm going to go on top, and I'm going to use that shadow to set it, because I don't want it to be too dark or too light. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna reapply color and work it in, and I'm gonna do my liner, and then I'm gonna come back with the final look, because at this point I'm just going back and forth to try to adjust and set it to match each lid, well, the opposite lid. So I will come back once the look is complete. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.